G'day, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to today's project of getting my drill area, my drill press and storage for drills and drill bits organised. So first time to Sumo's Projects, please go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell and give it a thumbs up and share the video. Alright, let's hook into it. Once upon a time a man entered his shed and said enough is enough. I am sick of this untidiness and not being able to locate what I'm looking for, and that's exactly what Sumo set about to correct. Yes, if you can put your hand up to some of these storage problems, well, we're all in this together. I'm making a designated storage area for all my drill bits, Forstner bits, and I just want to get them out of the way, but homed close to the drill press where they're very accessible. And for this I'm making a small box to start with, as you can see here. For the joinery construct of this box or drawer, I'm clamping down a few sort of steady points here so everything's at 90 degrees and driving screws in. This is for both the front and back, and it will suffice for the joinery on this build, being a workshop build. The base of the drawer I'm using MDF, and I'll nail that into the bottom side of the drawer. They call me lightning with a hammer, never strike in the same place twice. This next part here I'm cutting is merely where I'm going to be setting up, drilling out holes, and this will be the housing or the home of my Forstner bits. I'm using 600mm extendable drawer slides. These are great, get them from Bunnings, and they do add to the rigidity of the whole drawer mechanism. I'm not going to put a drawer front on. This is a workshop project and it's all about getting the stuff away, making sure that it's functionable, not purdy. So I've got a door handle, which I tend to like because you put the screws in from the front. Some people don't like that. Look, you know, each to their own. Once again, bought this at Bunnings, and although I do make my own drawer pulls and handles and that, I might do a video on that in the future, but for this project I thought I'll just grab this, in and out, done, finished. So we'll go put that on now, and we'll load up the drawer, see what the capacity is. So hopefully I can fit most of my drills in there. So just to put these on, I marked them out a sort of a rough distance, pre-drilled, and that would make it easy to put the first screw in. And then I also used a little punch to put in a hole, pilot hole, and that'll work nicely. As you can see, a great capacity in general here, and I'm really happy it's right at hand where the drill press is. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So there you go, guys. I'm super happy with that build. It's a drawer fitted into an existing portable bench that I made, and it just gives me greater capability, flexibility of having all my drills very close, actually right next to my drill press, and it's just all about workflow and efficiency. I think I'm working my way through gradually in the workshop. You've probably seen other videos where I made a miter saw station and several other workshop jigs and things like that. I think the next one is going to be on my router table and establish a good storage system there for all my router table components and also my bits. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification bell, and we'll do it all again very soon. All right, cheers guys, hooroo.